High winds across the Portland area knocked over trees and even killed 2 people. One of them was a man in Lake Oswego who died after a tree fell into his home on Sunbrook Drive. Other families who survived similar incidents say they know how lucky they are.
But I think it's 2 trees crisscrossing that just absolutely obliterated the bathroom and closet. And had we been in either of those rooms, we'd be dead.
Severe wind knocking down trees across the Portland area, leaving families just like this one without a home. Mason and Jacqueline DePassy were having a movie night with their 2 kids when the high winds caused trees to crush into their home.
3 trees total hit our house. We were very fortunate. Our neighbors were amazing. They came right over. They said, come over to our house. They had a generator, and so we stayed with them last night.
Not everyone was left unscathed. Up in Bethany, Steve Mishler says he was hit by a tree just steps away from his home.
I got a big black and blue spot on my back because it actually hit me. I was right at the corner of my house when it came down. I was just going in to tell her that that tree's coming down, and I was over at the corner. I had pushed a branch over to the side, and I took about 2 steps that way, and all of a sudden just bang. And I'm on the ground.
Dogwood Park, a tight-knit neighborhood in Bethany surrounded by trees, was completely ruined by the storm. Bob Stinsland says he's lived here for over 40 years and has yet to see damage this bad.
Well, it was over a period of 2 hours, one tree after another just coming down. And every time we thought this would be the last one, here comes another one.
Overall, people affected are leaning on friends and family for a place to stay. People we talk with say they know it will be at least a year until things begin to resemble what they once were.
The neighbors are going to have to rent someplace, obviously, if they stay with us for another several months till we get building contractors in to start the renovations. But I think it's going to be a week before we even see power because no one showed up yet.
Sydney Dorner, KGW News.